Mastering English, exploring closed compound nouns. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of closed compound nouns. This is a crucial topic to grasp if you're aiming to reach advanced proficiency in English. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of what closed compound nouns are and how to use them effectively. So, let's get started. Closed compound nouns, as the name suggests, are formed by combining two or more words to create a new concept or meaning. These words are joined without any spaces or hyphens. Examples include firefly, keyboard, and notebook. These compound nouns can create nouns that represent people, places, or things, giving you the power to express complex ideas in a single word. In English, closed compound nouns are everywhere. Here are some common examples. 1. Firefly, a type of insect that glows in the dark. 2. Breakfast, the first meal of the day. Break plus fast, breaking your fast after sleep. 3. Footprint, the mark left by a foot or shoe. Try to incorporate these examples into your daily conversations to get a feel for using closed compound nouns. One of the fantastic things about closed compound nouns is that you can often combine familiar words to describe new concepts. For example, you know what a rain is and you know what a bow is, but together as rainbow, they create a whole new meaning. Remember, the important part is to practice using these in your everyday language. You might be surprised at how quickly they become natural. And there you have it, our quick guide to understanding and using closed compound nouns. Just remember, they're two or more words combined without spaces or hyphens to create a new concept. Practicing these will make your English more fluid and nuanced. Thank you so much for joining us today. As always, keep practicing, and stay curious about learning. Until our next lesson, keep exploring the beautiful world of English.